My friend, how are you? So in this video I will show you how you can start dropshipping by AliExpress. Okay, because AliExpress is very common platform to start dropshipping, and every beginner dropshipper, everyone use AliExpress. So if you are a beginner, because my almost every videos only targeting for the beginner, and if you are a beginner, you most welcome. You have no tension, no any problem, just see the video how you can start dropshipping by AliExpress. Okay, so in AliExpress you will see lot of categories. If I go to all categories, I will see home improvement, lingerie, women's clothing, automotive, motorcycle, jewelry, sports, entertainment, computer, home and garden, lot of things. Okay, so what you will do, I always suggest to go with a specific niche, because if you go with random niche, or like every time you if you change the product, then you will never get a good results in dropshipping. Your focus will be you will build a brand. Okay, any types of categories almost works in dropshipping industry, but in my experience I can see that. Wait, I will share with you some very good niches. For example, let me write in here. Yes. Okay, so let me check mark on rate. Okay, so number one is the beauty and fitness niche. Okay, so if I go to in beauty niche, and wait, so I will go on beauty niche, and I will find within beauty niche which products is now trending and high demand. Always customers need these types of products, so you have to go. For example, for the beauty niche, you will go to like special occasion costumes, hair extension wigs. This is also in the beauty sub niche. Beauty and health, yes, this is the niche. So yeah, we will check in beauty niche. Yeah, lot of sub niche you will check. And in this beauty niche, this like message com false, yes, eyeglass, facial, gun, body, this all are right now trending. So AliExpress is suggesting you to go with this specific sub niche, because for example, back messenger, this is 2 years 3 years ago, this was very high demand product, but right now it's almost saturated. So in this sub niche, you will see a lot of specific category products you will get. For example, back messenger, face messenger. Yeah, yeah, this is the main product we see on before. This is not trending right now. So yeah, for example, this product is not right now trending. Yesterday I talked with my client about this product, and he is very interested to see this, to sell this product. Okay, so when I click on this product, okay, and I will check this product's every specification, and like 2 reviews, 61 sold, no problem. Okay, packaging savings, my fragile water. Okay, so these products you can select, no problem, and then you will just send me the products link, or like the product image. So yeah, this is the product cost we have got yesterday. Sorry, so this is the product cost. This is the product I asked the supplier, our companies. So this is the, yeah, this is the price that in Germany, our client was in Germany. So this is the price. So you, the $91 is the product cost. So you just find a good products on AliExpress, then just list the products, every product. Okay, specific niche, then list the products, then give me the list. Okay, then I will find the cheap supplier. I'm a supplier, so I always talk with manufacturers, so I will give you the best price. Okay, then step by step you will give us the order details, how many orders you are getting. Okay, So by this product you will find your winning product. Okay, first of all you will see the product in the social media, how many people's commenting, if these people need actually, and if these products requirements filling a person's daily problems. Okay, because these problems, I mean the neck problems everyone's face. So it's, you can, if you want to select this product, then I think you can scale this product and scale your business, because this is a broad niche product. Everyone's, almost any types of people need this product. So our second niche is which is health. Okay, health is very popular now, because everyone wants to improve their health. Number 3 is pet niche. Okay, pet niche. But at the beginning I don't suggest you to go with like the clothings, the jewelry, because these are very big competition products, and you need lot of budget. And I see in Amazon, in Walmart, in eBay, and a lot of big brands, they are already making brand by these common products. But so you cannot beat them by this clothing niche, jewelry niche. Okay, yes, if you can find a unique product and with a unique problem solution, then you can go. But I don't suggest we go with this niche. Okay, so if I go with like in AliExpress, for example health niche, so I will search on in health which niche. Okay, we can go with pet supplies. Okay, pet supplies. So I mean wedding, watering, grooming is very good products, toys, houses and habitats. This all subcategory pet niches products in last year was making billion revenues. Okay, so my friend, I suggest you, if you go with pet niche, every types of products are very good. And AliExpress always suggests to this trending niches. Okay, so if I go to like uh, for example, okay, apparels. Okay, apparels, yeah, this is also good. You what you will find in AliExpress, I told you in my some of previous videos, that always check this good reviews, at least 4-star reviews, and at least 100 plus sold. Okay, for example, yeah, wait, let me check. This all types of products, I mean this is a seasonal product. Okay, yeah, let me check on back, which is not seasonal. Yeah, you don't need to go with seasonal products. Yeah, grooming is not seasonal product, you can scale anytime, no problem. Okay, let me check. Yeah, this one very common, and this is an example. Okay, I don't say that this is a winning product. So 1,000 plus reviews, 10,000 plus sold. Okay, you can see the customer reviews, looks like in the description haven't used it, but apparently it has a good appearance. Okay, so in AliExpress you will get a lot of winning products. You don't need any paid tools, no need to hiring mentor to find products. So this is a good product. So if I go to on like picture search, okay, take a screenshot. Yeah, this is a screenshot, and I will copy these and I will search on Google. I mean I will check how many people are selling these products. Okay, yeah, so this is the Google image search, Amazon, okay, Daraz, AliExpress, yeah. So when we see that if 10 plus stores selling these products, then this is a almost high competition product. So you will see that below 10, okay, I mean under 10 stores selling this product, so it has high potential, and you will go with this product. Okay, so my friend, this is the systems that you can start with AliExpress. Just give me the product link of AliExpress, then we will go next step, just make a store and start marketing. Okay, so that's it. First the product, so product is very important.